If you're looking for a quick, easy, and in our opinion, essential upgrade for your 4Runner, you're gonna wanna check out our new LED license plate lights for the 5th gen 4Runner. These things are much better looking than the ugly, yellow, disgusting, dingy bulbs that come in your 4Runner from the factory. And not only do they light up your license plate a whole lot better, but they also give you a lot of light down here at the back of the vehicle. If you're doing things like hitching up a trailer, the reverse camera is gonna have a lot more light from these to get your hitch lined up properly. And even if you don't need them for that, let's be honest, this is a 2022 vehicle. The fact that this comes with those ugly yellow bulbs in there still is kind of a disappointment. But luckily, Yota Expedition's got you covered. Not only do these look absolutely awesome on the 4Runner, but they are quite affordable and they're very easy to install. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. If you want to see an installation video, down in the description we have it linked. Corey will show you how to get it done. And if you want to purchase a set of these for your 4Runner, the link is also in the description for YotaExpedition.com, where you can grab a set for yourself.